So we've done the pivotal rib, we've done the 2 stakes in the front, and now what we're doing is 2 stakes in the back, and then we'll pick those up as we weave too. So remember, from your pivotal point, you're going to come down lower. Actually, that one needs to be a little smaller. So at this point, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each lobe. And I've got one more to do here, so I'm going to show you how I do that. So on the first 2 on the inside of the lobe, what you're going to do is you're going to use this point. Remember, you always want to be, you're always inserting a rib next to an existing rib. And I'm just going to cut that off and trim that up. It may not be the exact right size, but it'll show you. So that's next to that pivotal rib, okay? And then I've got to do one more short one here, and that's going to actually go right inside next to this one. So I'm going to make that blunt cut, or not blunt cut, sorry, tapered cut. You don't want a blunt cut. I'm going to stick it in next to the rim, right there next to the rim. And then I'm going to bring it over. And yeah, you've got a lot to contend with here when you're first starting out. There's just no getting around it. So I'm going to make that cut. And I'm going to stick it in that same space as this one from this one. So this is how that's going to look on the bottom. See 4 lobes? This is what it's looking like on the top. Okay, and from the side view, and there where the braided handle is.